Are you stupid? Do you really think I wanna have YouTube as a career? Did you really think that? Did you really think that? Man, a few people ask me like why am I even doing YouTube? I'll get to that later. I'll give you a few points why I'm actually doing YouTube. But YouTube as a career? No, no, man, no. It's too small. I mean, like for me, and I have bigger goals. Like I have massive goals. Like I can't even tell you that they're that massive. But YouTube, no, absolutely not. YouTube as a career, no. It's just too small. Like long term, it's too small. It's too like easy. Like once I make it, let's say I have a million subs now. Like what do I do now? I mean, it's too small for me. I need to keep like having bigger goals. So and YouTube isn't one of them. YouTube as a career is like YouTube as a career is like for kids. Like kids will stay in it for the long run. I mean, like actual real men and women, they're gonna do something bigger in their lives. I mean, sure, YouTube can work like as a career. Definitely, it can work. But for me, I'm saying it's too small for me. I have massive goals. I have like YouTube is just too small. Anyways, okay, we get the point. It's too small. But then, why are you even doing it? Like, why am I doing it? So I'll tell you a few points now on why I'm doing it. Maybe you would want to start as well after hearing my points of why I'm doing it. I have like 4 5 reasons of why I'm doing it. The first reason is pretty obvious. I have spare time. Like right now, I have nothing going on, nothing like crazy going on. No school, nothing like vacation, exams are over, this that. So I'm making videos, simple as that. Self-explanatory. I could have done any other things. Like I'm learning stuff, I'm learning new stuff, I'm reading books, and I'm doing YouTube. So these are a few things I'm doing right now because I have spare time. Number two is I want to help people. How am I helping people? The videos I'm making from the start, they've been self-help. Like it's been for the people, from me for you. Um, I just want to help people. Like I don't know if I'm even achieving that, but like even if like this much is happening, I'll take it because YouTube I don't think is a great way to like actually help people. Helping people, like I prefer to do it in real life more of. But this is just again, YouTube is small. It's nothing that can really make an impact on the world. I mean, it can, but like nothing can beat a face-to-face conversation. I made a like any video in my past. If I was talking the same things to you in person, they would have much higher effect rather than I'm just making a video and you're watching it. Because when I'm explaining to you in real life, you can ask me questions back and forth. There can be doubts, and you can come back to me later. See, tell me how what progress you made, all stuff like that. So that's why I don't like. I'm doing it just because I can do it. It's not because I prefer it. If that makes sense. So number two, I want to help people. Number three, I want to build an audience. Why do I want to build an audience? An audience is extremely important. I think I made a video before. Uh, what was it? I think it was you're making a huge mistake not making YouTube videos, something like that. In that, I said having an audience is extremely necessary in today's age. Like anything I want to do, I have 70 people knowing what I'm doing, and more in the future. I'm gonna have 1,000 subs in 2 months, and less than 2 months, but I'm gonna have it. Why is it important to have an audience? Okay, let me tell you. I want to create a brand for myself. What does that mean? Okay. How many of you know the CEO of Tesla? Good, Elon Musk. How many of you know the CEO of Facebook? Good, Mark Zuckerberg. How many of you know the founder of Microsoft? Good, Bill Gates. How many of you know the CEO of Mercedes Benz? You didn't know that, did you? Why is that? Mercedes is known for Mercedes. Tesla is known for Elon Musk. Tesla isn't the brand. Elon Musk is the brand. Facebook isn't the brand. Mark Zuckerberg is the brand. Uh, Apple isn't the brand. Tim Cook and Steve Jobs is the brand. I want to create that brand of Shrey, like whatever I do in the future, and for that I'm gonna need an audience, right? So that's what I'm trying to build. Let's say I'm started some random company, like I'm selling T-shirts. Okay, T-shirt company is Shrey's T-shirts, or no, that's too dumb. It's just named T-shirts, right? The brand's name, the company's name is T-shirt. The brand would be known not for its T-shirts, but as Shrey Vakai is the owner of this damn company, and let me go buy that shit. So that's what I want to create, and I will create that. And it's extremely important. Don't underestimate this. You also, if you're not doing this for yourself, you're also making a huge mistake, because it's extremely important. And I want to start, no matter what it is, whatever your interests are, just start making videos, man. No hesitation, no overthinking. If you need help with that, video editing, any of that, I can help you out a bit, like, whatever time I have. But I will help you out in any way if you want to do that. Again, to build, and again, the third point is to build an audience, build a brand. Okay, and the fourth point why I'm doing YouTube is okay. The fourth point is because I want to make some money. Honest answer. Like I want to make some money. Like, and you can only make, as some of you do, you can only make money after you hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. So yeah, I'm just aiming for that. Again, as money, not as a career, like it's my career and I'm making money from, no, as a side hustle, like I'm going like chota paisa, like from YouTube, and then I have my main job, business, whatever. So just that, I'll just build that. So I just want to build an income stream off of this. Like, of course, building multiple income streams. So if one fails, you still have five more. I'm trying to build that. So it doesn't matter. The amount doesn't matter for now. It just needs to start. Like, the snowball just needs to start rolling, and rolling down the slope. And as it's rolling down, it's gonna get bigger, 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 bigger. It's gonna destroy a whole town. So that's what I want to create. I want to create an income stream, specifically an income stream, and I want to make some money right now. Okay. So in conclusion, no, I don't want to do this long term. Like, I want to do this long term, but not as a main thing. As far as what I know right now, I will be making YouTube videos even 5 years, 10 years down the line. I'm still going to be at it, but it won't be my main thing. I will have a video editor. I'll have a team who's doing all my stuff, because I don't want to spend time on this. I'm only doing this because I have nothing else to do. I have no other obligations, I have no other duties, I have no other job, business, I don't have any of that. So just for right now, I'm doing this on my own. But in the future, it will be more professional, with more guys and gals helping me with making this work. Okay, so hopefully this was kind of informational for you. Maybe I'm telling you, if you're not starting something right now, if you are not making content, any kind of content, like, you're making a huge mistake. I'm telling you that right now. Like, you watch me, just how big I am in the future. Not to brag, but that is a goal, right? I'm gonna get it, and I know the importance of it. As I explained, the biggest advantage is that brand thing I told you. Tesla is not known for Tesla. No one cares about the cars. Everyone cares about that Elon Musk guy made that shit, man. I have to buy that. That's so cool. So anything, literally anything he starts, like the Boring Company, Neuralink, SpaceX, all eyes on him. Like, he needs no marketing. Like, he built that up as a brand. No one, okay. Uh, Rolls Royce. Rolls Royce, like, it has reputation, but who the heck knows its CEO? Who the heck knows the CEO of Rolls Royce? Man, I don't know him. I don't know who the heck he is. That's the difference. If that person comes into play, man, it can just blow up. Anyways, Start your own stuff. If you need any help, tell me, I'll guide you. Any topic, I'm telling you, any topic. Stop overthinking, stop caring about what others will think. You know how much criticism I got for starting this YouTube video. There's no criticism now. Even if there is, it's like disregarded. There's 10 people supporting me and one person like clapping me. So it doesn't make a difference. I want you to start your YouTube channel now. I need at least, and I know that no one's gonna do this. Me telling you that you need to start a YouTube video, no one's gonna do it. I know only one of you is actually gonna do it. Out of like the 100 people that are watching, only one of you will do it. And I'm guaranteeing you that only one person will do it. Because that's the world we live in. I'm making this video for that one person. If you're watching, I know you're considering it. Be the 1%, 1%, and the 1% who's doing it. Take care, like and subscribe.